Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a nice little sleek ponytail tutorial. I've gotten a few video requests to do this video for you guys because you guys are always asking me to film this for some reason, even though there's like hundreds of ponytail videos online. But I decided to film it anyways because this is like my favorite hairstyle, like that doesn't take that long. And the reason why it doesn't take that long is because I don't put any heat on my hair for this look. The first time I did this ponytail though, I did put heat to my hair, but then I noticed like it looks the same even if I put heat versus not putting heat, because the edge control that I use really sleeks my edges, period. Like this shit is sleek. But of course, if you guys don't want to have your natural hair texture showing, you can always just straighten or blow dry your hair. But for this video, we're doing a quick and easy sleek ponytail with no heat for our natural girls that don't want to put heat to our hair, because we all know we don't want heat damage, period. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving you guys this tutorial. So if you guys want to know how to get this ponytail, then keep on watching. Okay, so the few things that you guys are gonna need: a brush, of course. I got this brush literally from the dollar store, so like I had a better one but I can't find it, so this is gonna have to do. What else do you need? You're gonna need, and this is just a drawstring ponytail that I got from the beauty supply store. Baby, the brand is Vivica A. Fox. It's a 30-inch pony, and I've had this for like a month and almost 2 months now, and it's so ratty and like dusty. Like, girl, do you see the bottom? It's just not cute, but it's okay because we're gonna finesse it anyways. So you're gonna need some gel and you're gonna need some edge control. And edge control and gel are two different things, period. Like, period. Okay, two different things. And what else you need? You're gonna need a spray bottle. Obviously not this type of spray bottle because baby, this is for like some cleaning supplies type shit, but this is the only spray bottle I have. So sorry, but here we go. And then bonus item is just like a cream for your hair, like leave-in conditioner or something. But I just have this Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream just to get my curls popping because we're not putting heat to our hair today. And then a toothbrush for your edges. So let's freaking get started. Oh my god. The first thing I always do is just spritz my hair with some water. Bitch, this is not coming out. Okay, it's not. Why is it not coming out? Okay. Spritz my hair with some water. Mostly like the front and the back so it can be nice and wet. So now that we have our hair wet, okay, you don't really, I'm wearing a little bit of makeup, but I'm not wearing any makeup on my forehead, so it's okay. So I'm just getting my hair really wet. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Now that we look crazy, now I'm gonna take a little bit of this Cantu Curl Activating Cream. Just like a little bit, because I don't want my hair to turn white when I put the gel. Just a little bit. And I just like put it on the front and the back of my hair. I don't really have to distribute it too much, but just enough. And once we brush it out, like, it's not going to be white, so don't worry. But yeah. Look at this in the front and the back. Cool. So now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna brush my hair up. I'm gonna take my gel, and I don't have any eco styling gel, I just have this really cheap dollar store one. So yeah, but it works literally just the same, honestly. So I take a lot of it on my hands and I just put it on my hair, and this will really help show your natural hair texture. Like, if you want your natural hair texture to show, then this is great for you. Okay, But if you don't, you can honestly just skip this step and just do the edge control on your hair. We're gonna take our brush one more time and brush our hair one more again. Okay, brush the hair. I take my Style Factor Edge Booster. This is the edge control that I use. A lot of people ask me which one I use. I just use this. And trust me, it's not this color. This is just the color of the container. And it smells like strawberries, so we love that. Okay, so literally what I do, take some of my fingers and I just put it right here on my edges. Only put it right here on my hair. I don't put it any further up because it will turn your hair white. I am not stressing. I mean, I cannot stress that enough. It will turn your hair white, or at least gray. Like your hair will be looking white, baby. And I've seen multiple videos and nobody said that it turned white. Then I take my brush one more time and I'm just like brushing the edges up. Okay, now it's time to actually put your hair in a ponytail. So I'm gonna take my hair tie and tie it twice because it's a bigger one. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more. So basically I just put my hair up. Ooh, girl, this is when it's like struggle nation. This is when you start to struggle, baby. Cause girl, ooh, cause you gotta get it really tight or else it's not gonna look snatched. My arms are so tired. And here's your little button. Do I like the way this looks? Not really. I'm just gonna brush it. Ugh, it has flyaways. See, that's what I don't like. I'm gonna have to fix that again. This is a nightmare. Literally a nightmare. My arms. I'm gonna put a scarf on my head, lay my hair down just for like a few minutes, and then come back and put the actual ponytail on my head. Okay. Okay, now it's time to take this scarf off and put my hair on. Ooh. Ooh. Now I'm gonna take my hair. It's very, very dusty. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush the shades because, babes, it's extremely dusty. Period. And it has combs in the front and the back. So that's great. You can just put it right in your head. And then there's a drawstring so you can make it nice and tight. Okay, now that it's like semi-okay, I'm gonna take like a good chunk from the back. A nice little thick chunk, and I'm gonna use that to wrap it around the base of the ponytail so it could you know, just hide the foolery there, you know. Nice little thick piece of the ponytail. You can like definitely see the tracks here, but it's okay. That we have our pony nice and right, it's time to do the edges. So gonna take my toothbrush and I'm just gonna like take down some of the baby hairs, and I'm doing some cute little baby hair designs, I think. I don't know yet. Now we have that out. I'm gonna take my edge booster from Style Factor. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on my toothbrush. And I'm gonna go in and do my edges. And this like takes me the longest, honestly, because I'm very indecisive with my edges. So these are the edges done, and right now I'm just gonna put my scarf back on just to lay it for just a little bit longer so it can really be laid. If you had a silk scarf, like that would be way better, but I don't have one. It's very anti-black of me, but it's okay. Use like a whoosh. Ooh, baby. Period. Period. And that is how you do a ponytail, ladies. That's literally it. Like, that's literally how you do a ponytail. And the only reason it took me so long to do it in this video is because I had to talk and like show you guys stuff. But in real life, this literally takes me like 20 minutes, 25 minutes max. Like, honestly, truly 20 minutes to put a ponytail on, honestly. Especially this is just for like really easy if you don't want to put any heat to your hair. Obviously, if you don't want your like real hair texture to be showing and you just want it really like bone straight, then of course you can go ahead and blow dry your hair and straighten it. Honestly, you really don't even have to straighten it. You can just blow dry it. You can get the same bone straight effect. But I didn't want to put any heat to my hair, and it just takes way too long. So I'm like, let me think of something less time consuming. So I did that. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's little tutorial. If you guys want more hair videos, please let me know, because I'm honestly in a YouTube video content drought. I don't really know what else to film for you guys, because like, how many more makeup tutorials do we really need, you know? But yeah, just let me know. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that like if you liked it. I'll leave a link to this ponytail for you guys in the description box down below if you don't have a beauty supply store next to you. You guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all makeup by Shania. And that is it for today's video, guys. I'll see you next time.